In order to simplify this expression, we need to factor both the numerator and the denominator. So, in the numerator, we are going to begin by factoring using the grouping method. And so we are looking for factors of 36 because we multiplied the leading coefficient of 3 times a negative 12. And the two factors must add up to a 5 because of the middle term of 5x. And so the two numbers that multiply to 36 and add to a 5 are 9 and a negative 4. So we can rewrite the expression in the numerator as 3x squared plus 9x minus 4x minus 12. And now if we are going to factor the denominator, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to a negative 12 that add up to a negative 1. And those two numbers are going to be a negative 4 and a positive 3. So we have factored the denominator completely, and we need to continue to factorate the numerator. So now we are going to do our grouping for the numerator. So we have 3x squared plus 9x as one group, and our second group is going to be a negative 4x minus 12. And this is continuously going to be over that same denominator. Now factoring the numerator even farther, out of this first grouping we can pull or factor out a 3x. When we factor out the 3x, we're left with x plus 3. And in the second grouping, we can factor out a negative 4. And when we factor out a negative 4, we are also left with x plus 3 in our parentheses. And again, remember to leave this over that denominator that we factored. Now finishing our factoring by grouping, we are left with 3x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 3 all over the quantity of x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 3. Now notice that our quantities of x plus 3 divide out to 1, and so we are left with the quantity 3x minus 4 divided by the quantity x minus 4, and that answer is D.